Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by like really quick and share this with you. Shopify has a plan going on. It's $1 per month for 3 months if you utilize their $5 a month plan. So it says $5 a month, but when you go in and you set everything up, let's say I want to get started. To set it up, they want to add my region, which I put here. And then I'm going to use email, but I'm going to, let's see if it'll let me. Okay, I'm going to use this email and let's see if I can create a password. And then let's say create Shopify ID. So I'm going to go in. This is like really simple, really easy. If you're wanting to sell online without setting up, like the complexity of setting up a whole entire website or even like a one-page website, this is so easy and simple. You basically just go in, you upload your images, you put the titles, you put the prices. Of course, you connect, your information for how you get paid and all that good stuff. I mean, it's like really simple, really easy. So I'm only going to show you the part where you can see where it's going to be $1 per month. And it'll be $1 per month for the first 3 months. And then after the 3 months, it will go to $29 per month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select a plan. And when I select the plan, what that page was the default, so I could set everything up, like start adding. So when I selected my plan, this is what happened. It brought me to this page right here for the plans. And from the $5, it's saying, hey, you can get it for $1 per month for the first 3 months. So let's go ahead and select that one. And then when I select that one, it shows me here $1 times 3. So that'll be $1 per month for 3 months. As you see over here, I won't be charged the $29. Well, starting November the 2nd, it'll be $1 for 3 months. And then February 2023, you will be charged $5 plus tax every 30 days. So that's like the coolest thing. I mean, you can start for $1. Well, today it'll be free. So there's nothing to start um, right now to get it set up. So I won't be charged until November the 2nd, the $1. That's in a couple of days. But you can't beat that, to go in here and try something out, see if it works for you. Just really simple, easy, then once you go through the entire plan, which I'm not going to do because then I have to enter in all my um, credit card information on and I'm not doing that one because this is just a practice one. And I do have the Jewelry by BDK Shopify set up, the little $1 plan. Just letting people know if you want to try something out, it is very simple. I mean, the format is so simple. Just upload the pictures, put the titles, put in a description, and that's it. And what will happen is all your images and products will be just displayed very simply, on the page where you can see. And the good thing about it is you can share. They've set it up to where you can just share links for your products on any one of your social media platforms, which can't beat that. $1 for 3 months and then $5 every month plus tax, whatever the tax is going to be. And they do charge you 5% plus 30-cent online credit card rates. And then they got good Shopify shipping discounts, shareable product pages. And that's one thing I did notice, the shareable product pages. Like they really got that set up cool. So take a look at it, shopify.com. This is not a sponsored video. I just think it's the coolest thing ever. And if anybody want to try, go ahead and try it out. Sounds good to me. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon.